This part belongs to our 2005 Mercedes Sprinter van. Unfortunately, the plastic fatigues over time and it breaks. The van, when we bought it, had one good and one broken, and what it's used for is, as you can see here in the sliding windows, this mechanism goes in here. When you pinch that in, it pops up and the window slides open. In this particular case, since ours was broken, I needed a little mill project for this afternoon, and we replicated this part on the mill. Unfortunately, I needed about an 1/8 inch end mill, which I didn't have, so we improvised with a rotozip bit and a Jacob's chuck, and it worked. There we have it. So open and closed.